Because when we talk about reforms in curriculum, we do not know what does it mean.
No other way that education can be productive.
I am there with you because I believe that from an NGO's perspective, you are doing so much.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं सुनीता और आप देख रहे हैं डीएनपी इंडिया। दोस्तों, सेंटर फॉर एजुकेशन ग्रोथ एंड रिसर्च यानी कि CEGR ने करिकुलम रिफॉर्म्स पर एक वेबिनार आयोजित किया, जिसे कि कुंवर शेखर विजेंद्र, जो कि CEGR की नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट और शोभित यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर हैं, ने संबोधित किया। और इस वेबिनार के दौरान मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई NBA के चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर के अग्रवाल ने। तो चलिए दोस्तों, इस वीडियो के माध्यम से नजर डालते हैं इस वेबिनार से जुड़े कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बिंदुओं पर।
So quickly and in such a systematic manner. There is no other example.
No panic, no chaos,
Yeah.
hardly any mishaps, hardly any mistakes. Some amount of wastage, but that also is something unavoidable because shelf life was too little. Now, how do you plan that 10 people will be there on the spot? I mean,
it's very difficult.
You can't make the 10 people wait. You start, and then the 10th person doesn't come. The medicine will have to go waste. There's no option.
Absolutely.
People have to understand the realities of situation. But given all the constraints, I think it has been a very, very great success story for the
Wish. And on behalf of CEGR and on my personal behalf, I welcome everybody to this wonderful session on curriculum reforms. My special thanks to our mentor, Professor K. Agarwal, Chairman of National Board of Accreditation, a mentor and the pillar behind all intellectual activities, what is happening in CEGR, even in our universities and institutions. Thank you, sir, for being with us. Every time we request you to be a part of that. When we talk about curriculum reforms, since new education policy has been declared, we all are talking a lot about reforms, be it structural reforms, be it institutional reforms, be it governance reforms, be it curriculum reforms, outcome-based learning and whatnot. Just before we started, Professor Agarwal mentioned one thing, that enough of the talks, now time to take action. And maybe that's why this webinar has been organized. Because when we talk about reforms in curriculum, we do not know what does it mean. Many times institutions, faculty members, we feel that making minor changes in the curriculum, adding something in respect from the industry needs, is what reforms is all about.
Yeah. Over to you, K. Agarwal.
Thank you, Ravish, for the nice words. And let me first of all compliment you for keeping CEGR going with the support from President, Vice Presidents and other management committee members. But you make sure that it keeps flowing, it keeps working, and every time some discussion on some very relevant topic being arranged. So my thanks to you, congratulations to you. And I am there with you because I believe that from an NGO's perspective, you are doing so much which not many people are able to do. And therefore, it's a pleasure to support your efforts. And even today, when I see the new participants, new speakers which you have brought in, many of them for the first time on the platform of CEGR, is a great value addition, because academics is an area where you always learn from each other. There is no giver and taker in academia, and therefore in the academic world, more we collaborate, more we discuss, more we debate, more we talk, more we learn and more we improve. So thanks to you for all your efforts. Kuunwar Shekhar Vijendra, a great friend,
contributes or should always contribute and align to the vision of the nation. There is no other way that education can be productive. And curriculum, to me, as a teacher and a facilitator, is the lifeblood of education. Education can never be effective if the curriculum is not effective. So, the NEP 2020, which all of us have been passionately talking about, we all know that it rests on the 4 pillars, that is equity, access, accountability, and quality. Where should these 4 pillars draw their strength from? To me, today then a very, very firm vision for the nation has